do the scoreboard.
There.
So we probably lost first half of the game again. There's 3 minutes remaining in the second period. Score is 4-4. Shot there, and that's just wide of the net. Oh, Knox takes a good hit. Brady picks up the puck, and he loses it right at the blue line. Knox goes to clear the zone and does. It's in the middle of the ice now. Comes back to Cole. Cole throws it up. That's going to likely be an ice. And it is. You're going to hate losing half of the game for going live.
Almost thought of that.
Face off one by Shallow Lake. Here's a shot from the point. Chelsea didn't even see it. And that went right in.
How do I get the away team color? It keeps going to this.
I don't know. Like I said, I've never actually done it.
Everything it keeps going to that.
Right here.
But it still hits.
Whatever. Okay. There's Trey behind the net. He puts it up into traffic. And then Lachlan throws it up, and that's out over. Here's Henry. He's beat to the puck by the Shallow Lake, and then Colton helps him out.
He's chasing him, buddy.
To the blue line over the top of Braden's stick. And the Shallow Lake player falls on over the red line. And that's left there. Trey overskates it a little bit. A lot of scramble. That comes down into Huron base end. Lachlan's going to chase after it. He's going to go the other way. Trey's got it now. He's skating. He's got a back checker, 2 back checkers. He keeps the puck, goes to the net, puts it into the behind the net, and makes a change. Colton here to get that puck. Passes it out. Oh, just out of reach of Riker.
Dump it in.
The puck comes out. Oh, and he keeps with it. Charlotte coming in over the blue line now. Braden does a good job facing the wrong way and still keeps him to the outside. Here's is that Brady now. No, that's Lachlan. Lachlan with it. Oh, that's swung and a miss by Riker there, and then eventually we get it out as Braden throws it in. They come back over the blue line. That's shot wide of the net. Here's Riker with it behind the net. That's from the forecheck. Around the boards. Up to Knox. Chips it in front. That's going to develop a 2-on-1, but the Shallow Lake player. Oh, here's Knox. Oh, crashed into the net.
On the shot.
Not sure what they're going to call it here. The referee's arms up. Players down.
I believe that puck was in before he crashed.
They didn't signal a goal.
No, we don't have the ability to do an instant replay.
Not yet.
We'll take the goal. Yeah. It's fair. All right, guys, let's go.
So 18 seconds remaining in the second period. Power play chance here for Huron Bruce. Pass over to Riker. Good job there. Brady, oh, just wide of the net. 10 seconds to go here. We still have another chance at a shot on net here, guys. Here, oh, Cole keeps it in. That's going to do it for the period, though. I thought we were ready to go here. Still on the power play here. Colton makes a little move, overskates it. Keeps the puck. Trey stays onside. Oh, he's going to get a break because Trey lost his stick. 2-on-1. Cole skates right at him. Oh, what a stick! Oh.
She had that.
Yeah. She made a glove save, and then it went, eventually fell out of her glove onto the ice, and
Michelle, like,
he got.
hit her.
I don't know. I don't think that happened. I think she just dropped it. He was there.
He ran into her, someone.
Here's Brady now wins the draw. He goes forward with it. Comes back out there. There's a stop as they tried to jam puck wide. There's a pass from Brady to Riker over to Knox. Knox comes the other way over the blue line, takes a shot from way out, but goes into the corner. There's Brady. Still 45 seconds on this power play. There's a pass out. Step up here, Braden. Get that. Atta boy. Braden's got it on the blue line. He puts it towards the net. It's tipped just wide. Stick lift there by Brady. Brady holds the puck. Finds Knox with his patented toe drag. And Lachlan helps him and gives it back to him. Oh, and overskated by Riker there. Braden's got it now at center ice, and he puts it into the feet of Brady. Brady comes in and he shoots wide of the net. Here's a chance for Shallow Lake. And that's going to be a goal. As he goes left to right. Well, that wasn't our most successful power play. Trey to Colton. Colton loses it. Trey gets it back. Over to Colton. He makes a move. Here's Henry here behind the net. Now into the corner. He throws it. Marin pass. It's picked off by Shallow Lake. He's coming down. Shot just wide of the net.
That's your snake.
Oh, and that's given up there by Cole, but it's regained by Colton. Colton finds Trey on the breakout pass. That's over his stick, though. We'll keep it up here, boys. That's offside. Lots of time here, boys. That's right.
Let's go, boys.
Here's Brady. He throws it up. That's again picked off. Shallow Lake then gives it back to Brady. He makes a move into the middle. He's going to dump it in wisely. Knox forcing the play on the forecheck. Wins that battle. Comes out. Goes left, goes right, but there's no one there. It's the right idea. And now Shallow Lake's going to go for another skate on a breakaway. Chelsea, come out of your net. And I think she made that save.
Your pads. Good job, Chelsea.
Stand up outside of the net, just in case, yeah. And it is kept out.
Right in her pads.
White.
Oh, a chance out front. Shallow Lake gets it up point. They put it into the corner. Lachlan now with it behind our net. He looks for a breakout pass to Knox, who one time passes it over to Brady up the middle, and then he's 1-on-4. Knox standing there. He gets it chipped around, and Lachlan chips it back. Holds the line two times. Maybe 3 here, yep. Shallow Lake. Oh, and it's just tipped out. Now here's Riker with it. Riker, he's going to shoot from out wide. Just wide of the net. That's off the referee's foot at the half boards. And eventually out. Here's Braden with it. He's going to shoot it at the Shallow Lake coach.
We got to keep our eyes on the play.
Face off one. They scramble for it. Henry tries to dig. That's up and out. Back to Colton. Colton gains the blue line. He's got 2 on him. Henry there to help pick it up. He puts it towards the net, but it goes wide. Ooh, there's a good hit. Oh, did he? Oh, it's a save anyway. Henry was standing in the slot. Now they come back the other way. There's the transition game, and that's it. Oh, and she had a piece of it. She had a piece of it, but
Slipped out of her glove.
there's Brady. He's got 2 or 3 on him. He still comes away with it. He comes over the blue line, shot from the outside, blocker save down low. Comes up here to Lachlan on the blue line. He had lots of pressure. They go left and right. He's gonna gain. Over the blue line now. Pass out front there. Brady gets it over. Knox falls down. Trips it up to the blue line. Shallow Lake's got it. They throw it towards the net. That's tipped by Braden. Braden comes around the net. Up to Riker. That's out to Brady. Brady's got it. Knox has got it now from pass from Brady. That's into the corner though. He comes around. Passes it out, but that'll end up on Shallow Lake's stick. And here's a 2-on-0. Chelsea's going to have to be big. And that's just put along the ice.
I feel like she should have come out and maybe
I think she came out to begin with and then
knocked
backed up
that
a bit.
away or...
Icing's waved off there. Here's Cole with it. That's held in at the blue line. Back to Cole. Cole throws it up the ice, and the icing is going to be waved off.
Get on it!
Colton forces the play. Behind the net. Breakout pass by Shallow. Joey there. He actually holds the line. Good job, Joey. Now Trey with it. He's got Henry wide open. And he makes the pass, but it's good stick there by the Shallow Lake goaltender to break that pass up. Henry's digging. He decides to skate away from it as Trey jumps in. Cole puts it forward. That's picked off by Shallow Lake. Colton with it now. He goes towards the inside. And he gets his stick lifted.
Go with them, Trey. Go with them.
Oh, and that's picked off by Cole, but there, Shallow Lake's all wide open again. Chelsea kick save. Colton gets two on him. Colton puts it around the net, over to Trey. Trey's going to be able to skate it up the half boards, and he puts it out to the middle. That pass is picked off and put back into our end. And here's Cole with it. He decides to slow the game down a little bit. Then skates behind the net. Breakout pass the other side to Henry. And that's put back in, back to Cole. Cole's got it now. He slows it down again. Colton. He reverses. And that's picked off. Chance out front for Shallow Lake. They shoot. It goes wide. Chelsea's got it there. Face off one, but then put back to the line. Just kept in. And Brady. Shallow Lake's got it in the corner. Four Huron Blues chase after the puck. Thankfully, Knox helps out in front of the net to put that puck wide of it. Here's Riker. He forces the blue line, and Knox gets it out. And he puts it ahead. Here's Riker. No, Brady's going to take that puck. Let's put out. Here's Braden. Braden chips it in. And that's going to be icing. 6:10 remaining.
Need to capitalize on the face-off in the Lakers' end here, Tom.
Pretty good. We're making the change.
You should try a heated vest.
Yeah, your heated vest keeping you warm.
It's lovely. It's like a balmy 28 degrees in here for me.
Ugh. Played in the corner. Shallow Lake comes away with it. And they put it up the middle. He tries a drop pass, and that is picked up. Cole diving play. Colton to help. He gets put over there. Trey with it. He's going to ring it around the boards, but that's going to come up to the blue line. Pass down low. Trey's got it. Trey puts it up to Henry, but that's picked off by Shallow Lake. Cole's got it behind the net. He puts it up. Stopped at the blue line again and put into the corner. That's picked off by Joey. He bangs it into the behind the net. Here's Trey with it. Trey puts it up, and that'll gain the blue line. Colton got a stick on that. Henry gets in the way of it. That's good. Colton with it now. And he's going to hang on to it. Puts it towards, over to Trey. Trey with a shot towards the net. That's stopped. Rebound out front. Joey just misses. And he puts it back in as the Huron Bruce changes now. Or Henry changes. Oh, there's Trey. Fell down in the middle. There's a chance and a shot, and that's in the net for Another shot from the high slot.
She had a piece of it again.
Another-
Just not quite enough.
Another had a glove on it, but Riker gets to that loose puck. And he's on it again. That puck's pit wide. Knox has got it now. He's going to have to beat 4 players. He decides to go one way than the other to beat them out. Here comes Knox
Round
in.
2.
And he does. And a nice shot.
Goalie saved that.
Got to give him credit there as he went 1-on-4. Still got a shot on net.
Hold it up the back.
Here's Brady with it. He fell down. Charlotte gets that puck, but Riker gets a hold of it and puts it back into the corner. Oh, Knox with a good stick there. Riker waving his stick around, and he manages to get the puck for a second, and then it's back to Shallow Lake. He throws it out and gains our blue line. Knox going to get there first. He's all over the ice, doing a good job keeping up with the play, working hard. Brady now, he tries to pass over to Riker, but just didn't quite get there. Here's Shallow Lake. Goes into the corner. Brady's got it. Oh, and he tries to bring it around the boards, but it's knocked off his stick. Here's Lachlan. He's going to go for a quick skate. Good job here, Lockie. He flips it over to Colton. Colton gets a hold of it, and he's gonna shoot well wide of the net, but a good play, and he had the right idea. Lachlan back at the blue line. Gets a hold of its stick handles. Pass over to Colton, and that's picked off. Joey now. He throws it up to Trey. They gain the blue line. Brady helps him out, and he's going to go off for a change. Trey forces the play. Back into the corner. Let's see. There's Henry with it now. Good pass by Henry over to Colton. He had 2 Shallow Lake players on. He's in the slot, and that's a bar down. So this game, we can play the game too, as he makes it 10-5. Lots of scoring. What a great shot and a great pass. That's the way we can play, fellas.
Okay, let's do it again.
2:18 remaining in the game. Joey here, he gets to the red line and then throws it forward. Trey's got it now as we play ping pong again. Trey up the boards again to Colton. Colton's going to skate with it now. No, it's knocked off of his stick. Now it's put in by Joey. And it's behind the Shallow Lake net. Oh, that's picked off by Henry. And that's lost. It comes out into our end. Here's Cole first to the puck. He rims it around the boards. Up to Henry. Henry.
Really? Hey!
No call on that.
Henry makes the change.
Shallow Lake is offside.
Offside! Oh, your eyes do work!
Should be on the power play here.
Lachlan puts that puck down towards Shallow Lake end. skates into the middle and then back out wide. Here's Brady as he goes back the other way. Good pass out to Riker, but that's just ahead of him. Picked off by Shallow Lake. Puts out front. Let's put back into the corner from the blue line. Pass out front, that hits a skate and goes behind the net. Now Knox with it. He skates in and out. Keeps going, and Shallow Lake's all over him. And that'll pretty well do it. Oh yeah. Part of the recording that got lost. It was a much closer game.